What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Merzette, and this is my S1000RR behind me. Today we're going to be unboxing some new gear. Picked up a new helmet and some new boots. I originally was going to go with an all red theme for gear, but then I thought about it. I'm like, it's not really going to go with the bike that well. The red is very bright. So I did some digging. I found a limited edition pair of boots and a helmet that I really liked. I hit up Motivation USA since they're a dealer for Alpinestars, and I asked them if they could source them for me because they didn't have them listed on their site. They said they're going to look into it. So here we are, fast forward today. They were able to source them for me, which the helmet is now sold out like everywhere basically, and I think the boots are as well. So let's get right into the unboxing. We'll start off with the helmet. I did have this helmet out once because I was swapping over the visor. I wanted to put the dark smoke visor on. It comes with this nice carrying bag, which is awesome. None of my Shoeis came with these in the past, so it's definitely a plus. So it comes with both a clear visor and a dark smoke. This is a clear. I already put the dark smoke on, like I said. Very cool that it comes with both because I'm pretty sure the dark smoke visor is like $100 alone. Also comes with a smaller spoiler. So this is like a race helmet. So there's a large spoiler in the back. This one already comes with the large one installed. Some of the cheaper Supertech R10s, they have the smaller spoiler and you have to buy the large spoiler separately. This one comes with everything. Show you guys what it looks like. That's a standard spoiler. I prefer the race one, so I'm not even going to be using this one. It's cool that they include both. It comes with the fog resistant lens that I'll be putting on. Nice that they include everything. Here it is. This is a limited edition, like I said. I've seen people online say that there's only 300 of these made, but I'm not sure on the exact number. But I think the purple and blue and the carbon will go with the bike a lot better. Just it's a cool theme. This is a carbon fiber shell. The reason I went with this helmet is I wanted something different. They run for about $1,350 US from an authorized dealer, plus tax obviously. I have seen them upwards of $1,600 since they are limited edition. The rarer they get, the more expensive they're going to be. But I'm not planning on selling it, so it doesn't really matter to me. Alright, let's open the boots. So the boots are the same theme. These are the Supertech R vented limited edition boots. Same color combo. One thing to keep in mind with these Supertech R's is that they run a little bit large. So you want to look at the Alpinestars sizing guide and make sure you order the correct size for you. So let's put them on. So they got an interesting design. There's like a separate part that you put on your actual foot and then slip the boot over. Loop this around. I slide the boot on. Zip them up. Boots run for about $650 US, a little bit more than the standard Supertech R's, just because of the limited edition factor. there you have it, guys. Alright guys, that wraps up tonight's video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Ride safe.